Hi guys, this is our new trailer. It's a 59 Kencraft. Looks great on the outside, not so much on the inside, so we're gonna give you guys a tour. It's pretty rough in there, so here we go.
Party on. What I'm super stoked on is it does have brakes on the axle. So this is the brake assist, brake master cylinder. I'm not sure if that's where it gets. It's locked in the non-use position right now, but that was a big one for me.
There's a little storage. Definitely needs some work. We'll redo the entire top of it. California plates. And then the other side. Yeah, not really sure what those chains are for, but it looks like that's kind of original. Super stoked. The door handle is very obviously broken. I can't open it, so Big Strong Wes has to do it for us. And it is rough. It is rough. Good Lord. All right, so, oh, it has the screen. I didn't notice it had the screen yesterday. So the inside works, that's nice. But yeah, here we go. It is rough, guys. So yeah, coming on in, our original everything. See, we've got to completely do the siding. That's my favorite part of the whole trailer. Look how beautiful it is. Oh, I didn't notice there's two of them. There's two of them. Look how pretty they are too. That freaking gorgeous detail. Yeah, lots of mold. We're gonna completely gut it. We're just throwing those away. We're gonna throw everything out in here.
That foam is still good.
No, we're not keeping it.
Okay.
No, got a little closet. We couldn't get in it yesterday, really. We just looked in the windows. Storage under the bed. This is supposed to be one of those beds that like slide in and out. So we'll kind of figure it out. Oh yeah, this is a Wes job here. Look at all those spider webs. That's why he's gonna go first.
There's spiders?
Yeah, cool? Lots of spiders and stuffs. But yeah, we're gonna throw all this stuff away. Like we have it. This is the very first time we've been in it. Got a little storage cabinet here with some odds and ends and parts and things. Probably go into this. And then we also have a toilet, if I can get it open. Oh my God. Here, hold it. Let's see if I can get this bitch open. Oh my God. I just imagine the whole thing coming down on me. Oh man, it does not want to open. Oh, well, we'll show you the toilet later. So, but yeah, it's the inside of our new project. Oh, there was bees in here. We're ripping this baby apart. So, here we go. Now that we've cleaned it out, I figure I'd show you guys it when it's gutted a little bit. So we took all the chairs out, all the cushions and everything out, swept everything. Check this out. This, holy cow. Look at how clean this is. Wow. Super excited. I really hope that works. Yeah, we took all the trash out. We ended up, I don't know if it's still open, but we found out that is a toilet in there. It is a porcelain toilet. I don't think it's... Wes has to open that door. I can't get it. But there's a porcelain toilet in there. But it looks way better. Get way back here. Yeah. And the best part, I think, is I can stand in here. Like, no problems. That is amazing. I did not expect to be able to actually stand in here. So, I'm super excited. It is going to be absolutely wonderful. Still got a lot more cleaning to do. And yeah, we're basically going to gut the whole thing and start from the beginning. So, yay!